Dario, please welcome to the ring. Vice President of J-Box Promotion. Who is arrived here? Some guys they watch us through the Spurs TV, but I want to know, how do you say, what your words to the fans? And
well, thanks all of you guys for coming out. It's been a long night of boxing, but I see a lot of enjoyment, and I'm very to our sponsors. We have main sponsors for this event, Peak Dame from Frankfurt, Dom TV, also a NGO from Frankfurt, Germany. Skoga and crew, thanks a lot for making this happen today. As well as Afia Gym, a new gym up and coming for martial life from June, July. Other than that, I want to thank all of our ongoing partners, such as Side from Bali Cafe over there, our home gym. Thanks a lot for having us, for ongoing support to J-Boxing Promotion. That's about it. I think it's been a long night. I don't want to bore you much more. We have 2 more fights, I think, for tonight.
Until we are here, kuna watu wengi ambao wameweza kutudhamini, kuna watu wengi ambao wameweza kutufadhili, lakini ningependa kuchukua nafasi hii ameweza kuwa na mchango.
I forgot one very important partner, by the way, Island Clinic, our medical partner. If you have ever anything health, a great partner for us at J-Boxing now, so also to the stage. But Max, you want to spare some words?
There's nothing I want to say. Honestly, it's great to be here. It's an honor to stay. We're looking into a great future. Fight Alive means a lot of respect. It's not easy to go inside the ring and fight, so please treat them with respect, treat the team with respect, and this is all I want to say. Enjoy the night.
Thanks.
All right, I want to appreciate we're glad to be here, and we're looking forward to actually supporting more of these kind of events. So enjoy the night.
Thank you. Let's go.
Yeah. Hello. Mabibi na mabwana, kazi inaendelea. Moto. Tumeweza kupata dabi ambayo tutakutana nayo Juni mwezi wa 6. Hamisi Magazeti, unahitaji? Nataka tutengeneze ugomvi hapa. Tatibu. Ni championi ambaye ameweza kuperform na mchezo umeeleweka. Sasa tunataka tumtafutie damu changa. Namletea sasa hivi J-Boxing, tunahitaji tuone vipaji. Sasa J-Boxing itazidi kuleta burudani ndani ya Zanzibar, tukiwa na Madi Max Kuga yupo ndani ya nyumba. Mwezi wa 6, mimi kama promoter J-Boxing Promotion tutawapa raundi 8. Magazeti tunasema, wadau umesikia? Hapo unatuambiaje hapo?
2 ya malizi huyu. Raundi 2 ya malizi. Kwa hizo alizochagua yeye, naona anajitafutia matatizo.
Mchumba huyu. Zuchu.
Mimi mchumba. Asanteni sana.
Jamani, nipo kwenye uzani wa lightweight. Nampiga mtoto kwenye lightweight.